Cool.
Vaseline? I got some.
Vaseline, there's two.
There's one full one and
The full one and like two and change.
Hey, mister. Hey. This morning the boys are gonna get hard at work at prepping for spray foam. A little bit of Vaseline on all the studs, taping it off, and we'll just show you the rest here. Okay, let's show you guys a few tricks that we do here to make it a bit easier. So on all your exterior markers, so your clearance lights, any brakes, headlights, anything that's gonna be in the body here that is gonna hit with spray foam, you're gonna want to package them up. So here's a look at that.
What are you doing in here?
So we just use insulator boxes. I think that was Christian's idea. And cover those up, stuff them with insulation with just some fiberglass batting, tape them up. That's gonna allow you to change the bulb from the exterior, and you're not gonna be swearing later on when a light goes out. Other than that, this spray foam is pretty powerful stuff, so you have to make sure your wires are all secured to the roof, or you're gonna have wires pushing down as that foam expands, and it's just gonna be a hassle to have to try to bury them after. We do all of our exterior cuts before spray foam. So again, hopefully we don't cut any wires that way. So we have another trick for you guys. This one is with some petroleum jelly, a little Vaseline if you will. So all of our studs, instead of taping them off, are gonna get smoked with good old jelly. What are you doing there, Christian? So this is our petroleum jelly rub down. We had 3 guys in here earlier doing a good petroleum jelly rub.
It was
Quality.
very erotic.
Erotic. I guess I have one more thing to note. Really important if you're spray foaming. Get all your exterior racks and all those goodies installed, because adding that later could be a battle. Something fun.
I got nothing.
Top of our insulation systems inside of the buses, we do spray foam on all of our tanks as well for all our winter kits. So here's a tank that's ready to go. We've got tank sensors right here, and under here we've got heater pads. These run off 120 if you're parked, or these are gonna be connected right to 12 volts, so there's gonna be a switch inside that hooks up to. Anyway, this will get 1.5 inches of foam, and that's gonna be insulated for winter use in Saskatchewan. Just about everyone here today. We got Market. They're checking out that school bus for a full vinyl wrap. And we got an Aero Pro. And he's doing all our spray foam. So that tank right there is getting covered. Do you need me to pull anything?
I think I got it out.
Just doing the wiggle.
Okay, this tank is done. Check that out. So we've got about 1.5 inches of insulation covering the whole thing.
How'd that go?
As ugly as it gets, but
All done, Phil?
it's done, yeah.
Awesome. Great.
I pretty much, I think I filled it up on top of there, so it's probably that thick. Go wait until it oozed out and
Hey,
this much and sprayed
we're
out
not
an
making it
angle.
easy for you.
Oh well.
Well, thank you very much.
What a job. So that's 2 tanks and 1 bus insulated. Okay, Christian is wrapping up the transit, thinking it'll be done probably around Friday. So he's working on his last panel. I'm gonna show you where it's going. It's part of the Murphy bed system. Sorry about all the grinding. Okay, so this is where our bed's gonna lie. Lie? Murphy's gonna be up here. All your cushions gonna fold down right across. We've added these bump outs from Flare Space. That's given us an extra about 6 inches of sleeping space. Okay, let's go see how Christian is prepping this last Murphy panel.
Here's our Murphy bed system for this build. So a simple little thumb latch here. This drops down. They'll sit on the countertop over here. Cushions will be stacked behind, and then they will just come out and make the bed. When you're done, stack them back up, and lock it in place.
So we've gone and done a bit of a thing. We bought a 72 MCI Challenger. Look at that vintage rig. So, over the next, who knows how long, we're gonna be working with our suppliers and partners and completely redoing this thing. It's gonna be looking brand new top to bottom.